Kiliguning igpampo ng anak po ng banal na Espiritu.
Amen.
Nung nagawa tapong mayap, when we do something good, I hope it does not have to catch attention to ourselves. Nung gagawa ko pumayap, napagparangalan na, gawa ko yan, ako yung ginawa kanyan, ako yung meme kanyan. Alita na kailangan. Nung manuwala kayong gagawan mo, mayap, nung manuwala kayong gagawan mo ng gusto, at manuwala kayong gagawan mo, dapat, kaburian ng Diyos. Balo na rin tao, balo. Man importante. You just have to do it. Kanitang misa natin kaming Advent recollection niya ita online. Hindi kaming metong karang speaker, Father Josel Henson. Atin niya kinota pari, nagyo na Father Richard Rohr. Metong niya pong Oblates of Franciscan Missionaries. Makabray siya po kay New Mexico, America. Kaya po ini, Father Richard Rohr, writer niya po kayong spiritual books, sampung lecturer niya. He described two simple differences and transition in life that we need to recognize and undergo. Sa amin imbiya kanu adwayang party. First half and second half. Adwaya kanu party imbiyatam nga ng Father Richard Rohr. The first part of our life and the second part. Nano ito? Sabi ng Father Richard Rohr, the first half of the life focuses on the container. Nano itang container? Itang pilulanan, yung lalagyan. And okay naman ta. Nga ita ka no, po tanga chuka itang first half nimbiye, in concern mo itang pilulanan. The external, tanga kakit ning mata. Our fascination to brands. Nanya tatak. Nanya tatak itang stola ko. Okay, nanya tatak susulod ko. Nanya tataking kotse ko, nanya tataking relo ko, nanya tataking sapatos ko, yung bag ko. The looks, nano ko itsura. Matilo siyang arong ko, baputi ko. Ala ko tigwawat, ala kong gasgas, o nano. The trends, itang nano yung uso, the latest. Externally obvious as preeminent value. Yang mas maraguldang pigagasusan, didenan panahon at pipapagalan din tao. Itangawsan ng container. We delight with the latest gadgets, the tags, and conscious of their price at the same time. We tend to compete with the first, consciously or unconsciously, to be with the winner or for the promotion, to be the best or even most successful, or to be better than the other. Hindi katang concern tang kelual. Medyo siguro masaitan Ngano mo pari ko, kaya ba't di ka na akong stola, tinya katataka Lacoste, Kenny. Kaya ba't tining Kenny, penguin manonong yata Masanding ala na mo, Hindi mo, puta mag-clerical ko. Bali puta mag-clerical ko, ita matuling gabat natin niya mo puti kayo Ang tanong tatak na, Giordano Wala mo kalyan nyo ko siguro kasi yung susulod mo naman, ala naman kaya nung nanin tatak the way we live our life is more important, isn't it? Bali po rin talaga kanong makwalta. Dabuli susulod natin lang mga regula tatak Kenny. Kasi bala mo, you are walking advertisement for the product. Bala mo susulod me. Kaswelo na naman produkto, bala mo. You are promoting it using your body, using your name, using your face. Siguro gawang ko nung bayaran ng dapat mo, Michael Jordan, magsapatos siyang Nike, huling babayaran ng Nike. O makanyan mo naman nung dengaluang players, they do it because they are paid for it. Pero kaya katama, it does not matter, isn't it? Ituro taray ng anak tamo. Just, they don't have to earn attention to itself. Ita kasi first half nimbiye. It's about the container. Ita pipapagalan, pigagasusan, hindi katamong aligaga, itang kelwal. Nano ko grade, nano ko position, first honor ko, second honor ko, na sabihan na rin ang tao, we're so concerned about how people look at us. Nano itsura ko, masanting yung picture. Ay, buran mo yung pahing picture yan naman malago palitan tayo. Then tayong filter, cellphone. Dapat tayo mo na kawangis. Pero, that's part of life. It's first half. Important ita second half. Itang kadwang ukduning biye. What's that? It focuses on the content. Itang laman. Of course, itang external, itang content, yung pilulanan, tangakakit ng mata. Kailangan naman ito. Pero yung maulaga, it is the content nung nano'y laman. In the second half of life, we are less bothered what others have to say about us. Na maragul bagay anong naning opinion dareng alwan tao. Nung atin lamang opinion, thank you, but that's your opinion. That's not me. I am more than your opinion. I am not the opinion of people. Kahit ang opinion na ngayon, ilaman mismo akalingwan daw. That this other half, we tend to look inward, to be quiet, to be peaceful and tranquil. We are no longer insecure and we don't have to compare ourselves with others. We distinguish what matters most. Kay kanong kadwang parti ng biyata ngay ni, bahalo mo naning mas at pinaka-importante. Now we value people. Eta na lalo na yung tatak ng gamit tamo. Lalo tamo, kumusta yung relasyon ko, kareng anak ko, kareng kapatid ko, kay pamilya ko. That is more important. The people are most important. Our family, our friends, we care for, and that ang tawang kaluguran tamo. Our presence and our sense of health. Itang alata sakit, masikang tapa may kakatawan, and that matters more. We seek quality time, relationships. We tend to slow down and save our life. Eta na mamalagwa, pilasan taming biye. Nangyang nano pa sasabihan dareng aluan tao. We tend to not compete anymore. Sabi da, in the first half of our life, we invest. The second part of life, we divest. Kaya ko na kailangan yan. Kaya kayo na yan. Matuwa na ako eh. Kaya ko na kailangan yan. Iba't na ako kaya. Ati na akong makanya. Kaya ka na yan. These first and second halves of life are not age-driven. Porque 15 na ka, at yun na ka kayong second half. Ay, 16 na ka, 16 na yan. It's not true. Nang kaipin po, tang matuwa ka, lalo kang mas concerned kaya sarili mo. O lalo kang concerned kaya tsura mo. And pwede naman, anak ka pa mo, you're already on the second half. When you begin to discover your mission, kareng kapatid mong epamegar, kareng wali mong mangailangan, o ring aliwan tao. It's not age specific. It does not completely time transform. It's not about time transition. Maybe it's not even possible to measure it by time. What is ideal is as we age, we move on in small steps towards the second half. Nagkang bagya-bagya mo, we learn to let go from containers towards contents. May we grow up. We not only grow old. Potang you grow old, naturally ta, tutwata mo. Bisa ka tali mag-birthday ka. Bisa ka tali, you grow old. You cannot stop that. It's most natural. But to grow up is to be matured. Itang tutwata isip. To be more responsible and to be more caring. Maybe we have to grow up. Not only to grow old, which is beyond our choice and our powers. But to grow up is to be internally matured, especially when we make decisions. That is most important. Kalupan na po ng Ebanghelyo ngini. When you give alms, when you fast, and when you pray, there's no need to attract attention to yourself. Sabihan ng Jesus anini, nung mga di kayo, sasapo ka rin pagkakalulo, o magayuno kayo, magsakripisyo, daman kailangan nabalo din ang alawang tao. Man dapat, parangalan ng salita mo, may kwento tang bakit. Impama nga di, pamanyab ka rin aliwa, ang pamang sakripisyo, it's most natural to us. It's as normal as breathing. Kalupan na yung pamangisnawa. Sabi yun, mangisnawa. Dali, it's part of our humanity. So when you are on the second half of life, almsgiving, fasting, and praying are done because they are most valuable that we stand for. Sana makanyan muna akong kaya Natural na kaya katam pamanalangin, pamanyaw ka rin aliwa, at pamagsakripisyo, pamagayuno. And we don't have to attract attention to ourselves. Ito po yung kayatang may pabalita. Balo ng Diyos, yung gagawan mong mayaw. Kilagyo ng ipampo ng anak, po ng banal na Espiritu.
Amen.